guys, today I'm gonna be vlogging. I'm going to Five Islands Water and Amusement Park in Trinidad. I decided that I was gonna ride the bike there, so it's 2 hours away, so I'm gonna be leaving now, and I'm just gonna show you guys a quick time lapse of me going there. And I'm actually really excited because I've never been to the water park of it because they just built the water park. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's just head there.
Where I'm going, Five Islands over there. I couldn't record before because the highway was extremely dangerous and I wasn't trying to ride no-handed and die.
Hey Timmy, where are we?
Yo, big man, understand that we in Five Islands, guys.
Yes,
Listen,
you don't
we are going
know.
to sample the water park and have a fantastic time here.
Yeah. Stephan, what you doing, boy?
How you doing?
Oh, Mr. Whoa. Shelton, that's for you for there, you know. That is just for you. What's my boy dancing over here? Watch my boy dancing over here. Hey!
No, you're going
Hey! It's the voodoo! Enya!
Correct, we say there?
You can't score.
Just put the camera. Put the camera. This is for you and Shelton.
So that whole mess is for me. I don't want no mess, dog. Trash! Because you know you're gonna get licks. You're not gonna beat your real bad. Dog, when I drift round you so, dog. What are we looking at? Look at, hey, you actually know how to skate. I was expecting him. He gonna like a star and almost touchdown.
Now stop, now stop.
It's not that hard.
Yeah, it's not that hard.
But based on my experience thus far, compared to the professional competitive roller skating spaces that I have graced.
You're looking like a fawn.
Like Thomas?
Yeah.
Not even gonna lie, that was actually really fun. It was super scary, but I'm gonna do the tube with everybody else now. So let's see how it goes. throw the tube down and I'll jump into it.
Alright.
Two will jump into it.
I just got back and it was actually really fun. I recommend you guys go there. It's totally worth the $250. So there wasn't much people, so the lines weren't super long, and all of the things were just really fun, as you guys saw in like all the videos I just show you. So you guys should go check it out. And also the lifeguards especially, I was surprised. Like, they're so nice. Like, you would just walk by anybody and they would just smile. Like, it felt like Disneyland or Disney World. Like, they're trained to like be happy, and it's like really an amazing experience. So I suggest you guys go there. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you like vlogs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe.